We've seen that Python has several mathematical operators like multiplication and subtraction, and we know that the mathematical operation multiplication is associated with an asterisk symbol. There are lots of other operations that we might want to do with or without math, and not enough meaningful symbols to go around. So, for example, we may want to figure out which of several numbers is the largest one, and there's no symbol associated with that operation. Instead, Python has a set of built-in functions that allows us to perform these operations. So we'll take a look at those now. So let's start with that example I mentioned, which is to find out which of several numbers is the largest. The Python built-in function that we'll use for that is the max function. So the name of the function is max. I use an open parenthesis, and then I provide the arguments to the function. So in this case, I'm going to provide two arguments, pass two arguments to the function. The arguments values are 36.7 and 23.4. So this is a function call with arguments 36.7 and 23.4. When I hit enter, Python will evaluate that function call and tell me that 36.7 is the bigger of the two numbers. The form of a function call is the name of the function, an open parenthesis, a comma-separated list of expressions known as arguments, and a closing parenthesis. When a function is called, Python first evaluates the arguments, then calls the function. In addition to calling max with two arguments, we have the option of calling it with several. So in this case, we will call it with 4 arguments. We can also call it not only with floats, but with ints. So this time I'm going to pass 3 int arguments to the function. And finally, it's possible to pass in arguments of 2 different types. So we'll pass in a float argument along with an int argument this time.